Have you ever tried applying raw honey directly to your feet? I know it might look a little unusual or sticky at first, but trust me on this one. It works absolute wonders for your skin. Raw honey is a powerful natural humectant, which means it continuously draws moisture from the surrounding air straight into your skin while calming dry, irritated spots. If you spend long hours standing on your feet, deal with stubborn calluses, or struggle with dry, cracked heels, this simple kitchen trick is about to completely transform your body care routine. Today, we're taking raw organic honey and combining it with a few easy kitchen staples to craft the ultimate deep-hydrating, exfoliating foot scrub right in the comfort of your own home. Let's assemble our scrub step by step right on the counter. First, take a small, clean bowl and measure out 2 full tablespoons of fine salt. Salt serves as our natural abrasive element, perfectly coarse and textured to slough away rough, dead skin cell buildup and smooth down those stubborn, hardened areas around your soles. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil is packed with essential fatty acids and natural antioxidants, providing heavy-duty, deep-penetrating nourishment that helps repair and protect your skin barrier against everyday dryness. To complete the formula, add 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey for an intense hydration boost, soothing feel and natural shine. Mix all 3 ingredients together thoroughly with a spoon until you get a thick, rich, golden paste with a grainy texture that looks and feels like a high-end luxury spa treatment. Now comes the absolute best and most relaxing part of the whole process, the application. Scoop up a good, generous portion of the scrub and begin working it all over your foot. Take your time to thoroughly massage the mixture into key trouble spots. Focus especially on your heels, the outer edges of your feet, your ankles, and the balls of your feet where dry skin builds up the most. Work in slow, firm, circular motions, allowing the salt grains to gently polish away dull, dry skin, while the natural warmth of your hands helps the olive oil and honey penetrate deep into the fresh, baby-soft skin underneath. Taking a few extra minutes to massage your feet not only boosts healthy blood circulation, but it also releases built-up tension and relieves deep muscle aches after a long, exhausting day of walking around. After you've massaged your feet thoroughly for a few relaxing minutes, grab a warm, damp towel and gently wipe away all the leftover scrub, sticky honey and salt crystals, or simply step into the shower or foot bath and rinse your feet clean with warm water. Once you've cleaned off the residue, take a moment to admire the amazing results. Your skin is left with an instant, radiant, healthy glow, feeling unbelievably soft, supple, and deeply moisturized without a single trace of dryness or roughness left behind. It's such a fast, budget-friendly, and 100% natural way to pamper yourself without having to book or pay for an expensive salon pedicure appointment. Try this simple 3-ingredient recipe out for yourself this week and get ready to enjoy smooth, beautiful sandal-ready feet.